Hey guys, today I want to talk about these extension strap holders from EastPin. So I've got an extension cord down here. Let's go ahead and wind this thing up and I'll show you exactly how these things work. And let me tell you, they work super awesome at staying organized in the garage, which if your garage is as messy as ours, then you know is incredibly important. So let me finish wrapping this up here. You can see this one hasn't been on the wall and just how messy they get. So once you have it all wrapped up, then what you want to do is take it off and you take your Eastman thing and you're just going to wrap it through here. And then it's got a Velcro so you can wrap it nice and tight so it's not going to unwind like that. And then you've got a nice little carrying hook right here. So I can find a little nail here. Let me find one that actually works. Right there. And boom, now my extension cord is hung up and this pack comes with multiple. So check it out.